Yeah, good day guys. Welcome back to the HK YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. In today's tutorial, we're going to be designing a church flag program. So without wasting much time, let's get on to the business of today. So the first thing you have to do right now is to bring out the flyer I want to design. So I have to go to Pixellab. Let's assume this is the flyer we want to design. So I'm going to place it here. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on my plus button again. Then I'm going to my PLCC. That's where my background is. PLCC. PSC good. So actually this is the background I'm using. So after that you click it down here, then you click on relative size. Good. Okay, you see it? Good. So you lock it. Wow. So that one didn't even stay. Although I know what I designed there. So the next I'm going to do now is to click from gallery again. Then I'm going to my Canva, so I can bring in the image of the pastor that I used. Actually, if you want to bring the two images together, you click on this place. Then you click on from import. Where is my import? Good. So you click on import two times. So let's check it now. Good. So now you go to your Canva. So you go to Canva. You click on this first, the pastor. So I think the pastor is around there. Sorry. Good. This is one that I use. Good. So I have clicked on the first pastor. So I want to click on the second pastor that I use. So good. So can you see it now? So can you see it two times? So can you see the image be here? So now I can actually crop this one. Although you can crop down at that time. So let's crop it now. Good. So there's no need to crop this one again. So after that, this one is actually dark a little bit. If you check this one, you will discover it's actually dark a little bit. So what I'm going to do? The next thing you go to do is to click on your color filter, then you go to your contrast, then you increase it. So can you see it's actually okay like this? So what are we going to do? Actually, I want it at the back. Good. So the next I'm going to do now is to bring it here. I think should I crop it again? Let's crop it again. Good. Good. So we are good to go right now. So you can put it there. So after that, you bring this one a little bit. Okay, it's too big. So you can actually do it. So I work the background base. I work on the background based on the what do you call it? Based on the um based on the theme of the program. So after that, you click on your gallery. Then I can actually go to my download. Then I bring in the what do you call it? The church logo. So actually this is the church logo. So it should bring out the church logo. Good. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to put it here. Good. So the next I'm going to do is the writing of the church. So just write Abraham Palace Christian Center. Good. So the next I'm going to do now is to go to my font. Then I'll use Montesero's board for the font, for the church font. So after that, I'm going to reduce it a little bit. This is what that is. Abraham Palace Christian Center. It should be center here. Good. Good. Something like this is actually okay. So you place it here. So after placing it, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on your text again. Then you write something like this: youth church, youth, youth church. Good. Leave it like this. Then go to your font again. Then you choose Montestera font again. But this one you choose medium or light. So let's check on medium first because we don't want the youth church to be bold enough. That is what they call hierarchy. Good. Complete this one here, and you could. So it's actually okay like this. So let's move on. So the next thing I have to do right now is to click on my gallery. So on this one, I actually work the test effect. So you can actually see one here. Sorry, not that one. The test effect should be around there. Should be in Pixellab good. I think this one. The power, good. So I'm going to bring another one in again. That is the power. Yeah. Then the intentionality, good. So I have to crop this one too, good. So let's move on. So how I'm going to do it now, I'm going to place it here. The power, okay, the power of intentionality. The power, I think it should be the power of intentionality. Okay, let me check the power. Okay, good. This is it. The power of intentionality. So what are you going to do right now? The next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on this power, go to your shadow, give it shadow. But this actually shadow, you reduce it a little bit, the blur. So after you reduce the blur, the offset, bring it down a little bit. Not too much. 4 is okay. So how many radial blurs you give it? 6. Did this one also give it 6. Then give this one to 4. So just let it be the same. Good. So can you see it right now? So what are we going to do next now? The next I'm going to do now, I'm going to bring this one a little down here. Down here. So the next time to do right is to give it text. Then I'm going to write, do this thing, raising, sorry, raising the touch bearer. Is it this bearer or the second bearer? Raising the touch bearer. Good. So after that, you go to your color. Then how do I get this color? I got the color from this cloth actually. So can you see it now? So you have to be careful when selecting it. So can you see? So after that, I think the color code is not actually bold enough. So something like this. Good. So let's check. So good. So what I'm going to do now? You go to your font. Then I use outfit for this one. Outfit bold. Go to your font. Then you reduce it a little bit. Good. Then you do something like this. Something like this too. Okay. You can go to your angle. You can go to your angle. Then you angle it. -2 should be okay. Where is the angle? Angle should be around there. Angle. Okay, rotate, I mean. Then the angle should be -2. Good. So just give it -2, then you place it here. So can you see it now? Ah, it require brain work. So after that now, the next thing we're going to do now is move this church a little bit up, a little bit, good. Exactly like this. Then click on your shape, click on this. So reduce the opacity, then go to your stroke. Then give it white color. So after you give it white color, you bring it down here. Good. So after that, you duplicate again. Go to your edit. Now increase the opacity. Then reduce the stroke. Good. So can you see it's actually the same thing? Good. So we are actually moving into here. So please let me check what I did there. So the next time I'm going to do is to bring out the image I use. So let me check something there. Okay, only time. Good. Good. So the next I'm going to do now is to click the both of them. Then I'm going to bring it around there. Good. So I think we are actually okay with that. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on my text. Then I'm going to click on time. Time. Then yeah. Click on font. So when I click on font, I'm going to choose outfit again. Outfit medium. Good. Then you can zoom it. Zoom your work. Zoom it. So when you zoom it finish, then duplicate this one this time. Then you can write 3:30 p.m. Good. Then you something here. I'm going to do now. place it here. Then I don't want the spacing to be much, so I'm going to my spacing. Then you reduce it a little bit, like something like this. So can you see it? Good. So let's check it again. So can you see it actually okay? Or should we reduce the text? I'll be okay like this. Guys, I guess it is okay like this. So let's leave it like this. So what the next I'm going to be doing now? The next I'm going to do is to click on this shape. Then you give it this color actually. So after you give that color, then you come here. That means you're going to be moving this one up a little bit. Place it here. That means this time should be up a little bit. The time and this one should go up a little bit. Good. So the next thing we're going to be doing right now is to move this a little bit. Good. So now we can actually do this one right now. So the next thing now we are going to do is to click on this time, duplicate it, then come here, then zoom your work, zoom it with your hand. So after you zoom it finish, click back here, then you rotate this stuff like this. After that, then you rotate. Good. So can you see? Then you can minimize reduce the size. So after that, you click on this time again, then you write 23rd, give it this stuff, October, this stuff 2023. Good. So zoom it back a little bit, then you do something like this, then you write it like this. So can you see it right now? Good. So we are good to go. So after that one, the next thing we're going to be writing is the what do you call it, the the address. So what are we going to do? You click on shape right now, something like this. Now you go to your gradient color. The gradient color is not bad, it's not there. So what are we going to do? You click on this and you go to that pastel again. So I'm going to be picking another color from here. So this color actually good. Then with this one actually this color good. So let's check it now what we have. Then what I'm going to do is change it to this one actually. So can you see it? Good. So after that, you come here, then you place it here. Good. So you can see everything is plumping. Good. So what is the next thing I'm going to be doing? So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this 23rd. Then I will write for inquiry. Let's assume they have a number for inquiry. For inquiry. So you write your number here. So good. So you place it here first. Place at the middle of this stuff. So after that, you can copy it again, duplicate it, then you write the in the mountain of fire. Good. So let's assume this is the address. So what am I going to do? I'm going to reduce it now. Good. Reduce it. Okay. Reduce it again. Good. So can you see right now? So you should go up a little bit. Good. So I think I have to reduce a little bit. Good. So can you see now? Everything is actually pumping. So the next thing I'm going to write now is to write the pastor name. So let's assume the pastor name is Arnold. Arnold. So I'm going to give it a capital letter. So after that, I'm going to write it here. Good. So then you go to your font. Then you can give this one this symbol or bold actually. Good. So after that, next thing to do is to write your shape. Then you click on this one. After that, you make it smaller. Then you give it this color. So after that, oh wow, you zoom it very well. So after you zoom it, then the next thing to do is to rotate it. Then bring it there. Good. So can you see it? Now, let's write the name of the pastor, the second pastor. So let's assume the second pastor is Prince Mende. So something like this. You can um decrease down a little bit. Good. So you write it there. So after that, you change the color to this actually, to this color. So can you see it? Then you duplicate this shape. Come here, duplicate the shape. Then bring it down here. Then you can zoom it. So after you zoom it, so, oh sorry, let it come back. Where is it? Good. So let's zoom it back. Good. Then rotate it back. Things okay like this. Actually not okay because I'm not seeing it very well. So after that, if you can make, if you, okay, let me go to my angle. I think angle can actually do it. 90. Good. 90 is okay. Then you can place it with this. So let's check. Good. Actually, okay. So let's check what we do. So this how I actually got this design. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share this video for others to see. So thank you for joining up to now. Thank you. Then you can actually save it as image, save it as PNG, and save it as Ultra. So thank you.